So let's take you straight across to Karnataka, where the political scenario is nothing short of a suspense thriller. Just when the buzz over a change of CM peaked, the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge gave way to the climax. We're talking about the latest statement that has been made by Mallikarjun Kharge that has set the cat among the pigeons. Speaking at a program in Vijayapura, the Gandhi family loyalist voiced regrets on how he missed being the Chief Minister of Karnataka despite winning an election for the Congress. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge started reminiscing about his time in the state in the late 90s, where he was upstaged by a newcomer. Before diving in further, listen in to the remark.
69ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದೆ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಪಿಸಿಸಿ ಆದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಪಿಸಿಸಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನೂ ಆದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಕೆಲವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಾಗ ಅನೇಕ ಸತ್ಯಾಂಶಗಳಿವೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು CLP ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ SM ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದರು ಅವರು ಅವಾಗ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇ ಒಂದು 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರು ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ದುಡಿದೇವೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ ದುಡಿದೇವೆ 4 ತಿಂಗಳದಾಗ ಬಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಹಂಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕಥೆಗಳವ ಈಗ ಬೇಡ ಅದು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ
Now this is where it gets interesting. Mallikarjun Kharge further mentioned that he never lobbied for any post and that the only way of getting a position in the party was through hard work. Listen in.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ದುರಾಶೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಾಗ ಏನಿರ್ತೋ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದ ದಾರಿಗಳು ಬಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ನಿಂದ AICC ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದು ಏನು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು ಬೆನ್ನತ್ತೇನು ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗೂ PCC ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಾಗ ಏನು ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಲೋಕಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಈಗ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದ ಫಲ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವೆಂದೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ.
My colleague Neha Hebbale joins us on the broadcast with the details. So Neha, Mallikarjun Kharge seemed to be reminiscing about his time in the state in the 90s, but more importantly for the present day scenario, he seemed to have a message for DK Shivkumar.
Well, Pratibha, of course, politically reading between the lines, it's quite evident there that Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, of course, was talking about the leadership tussle here that's been on in the state of Karnataka between the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. Now, of course, even as the BJP here has been breaking this up, saying that it's an attack there on the Deputy Chief Minister, of course, we haven't really seen a reaction so far coming in from either the Chief Minister or the Deputy Chief Minister. Of course, all of this comes even as there are now questions being raised about whether at all there is going to be a leadership change in the state in the coming months and whether, of course, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah there would have to make way for his deputy to take charge of the state.
Okay, all right. So this seemed to be a message for DK Shivkumar, but this comes amid a lot of discussions within the state as well, isn't it? So Neha, what's the latest on the discussions on the CM tussle? Because it was just yesterday when the CM's son had also even in fact garnered some controversy as he compared the achievements of Vodia to what the Chief Minister had done. Apart from that, there have been several leaders who have also been told very clearly, don't make any statements and embarrass the party. So what's the latest? Is there still buzz on the CM change? Is Randeep Surjewala expected to visit Karnataka again?
Well, Pratibha, as of now, of course, what we do know is that given that Randeep Singh Surjewala was already in Karnataka and given that the CM and the Deputy CM also were in Delhi, even till just about 3-4 days ago. Likely, of course, that several discussions have been held on this front. Randeep Singh Surjewala, while in Bengaluru, also, of course, reportedly did take an opinion now from all of the Congress MLAs and leaders as well about what they feel of this leadership change. However, we'll really have to, of course, wait and see what happens now, even as the government is going to be completing 2.5 years very shortly.
Okay, all right, Neha, thank you for joining us with all those details. In fact, after Mallikarjun Kharge's remarks, as they come at a time of high political turbulence within the Congress party in the state of Karnataka, over the past few months, we have also seen that back-to-back developments have been taking place, remarks of leadership change as well, latest being Mallikarjun Kharge's remark. Now, the BJP has said that this is a very, very clear message from the High Command to DK Shivkumar.
He says that only his hard work without lobbying has taken him there. He is taunting DK Shivkumar, Siddaramaiah and all other Congress leaders, saying that only hard work pays up. Apparently, the culture in Congress is very different what actually Kharge said. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge and Dharam Singh were the two lobbyists who had lobbied for every post, whatever they asked, whatever they have taken.
So this comes in the backdrop of a strong endorsement by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's son Yatindra Siddaramaiah, who compared the Chief Minister's tenure to the royal Wadeyar era. Here's what he said.
ಇವತ್ತು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಅನುದಾನಗಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಅನುದಾನಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾಲ್ವಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರಷ್ಟೇ ಅನುದಾನನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಾಧನಾ ಸಮಾವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ವಿಪಕ್ಷಗಳು ಟೊಳ್ಳು ಟೀಕೆ.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
How bad the comparison is. First rule is you cannot compare a banana to an apple. Krishnaja Wadiyar or Nalnudi Krishna or Jayachamrajendra Wadiyar's family should be compared only with the 565 kingdoms which were present during the same time and who were ruling different parts of India. Or Siddaramaiah should be compared with the CMs before him in Karnataka or the CMs working in parallel to him across the country.
So, Neha, back to the update of what the BJP has been alleging. While the claims and counterclaims are continuing in the Congress party, a controversy was also sparked off by CM's son making this statement comparing Siddaramaiah's tenure with that of the Wadeyar era.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. Of course, this particular mark here has come at a time now when you have journalists in Mysore who went on to question Yatindra Siddaramaiah there of course, the convention that was being held to talk about the achievements of the government in the state. And that's when he's, of course, gone on to add that, the amount of achievements Siddaramaiah is more than what Raja Wadeyar actually at one point in time. Going on to say that the only development that has been done in Karnataka, the contributions have been much more than the King's era.
Okay, all right. Neha, thank you for joining us with those details. We're shifting our attention to breaking updates now coming in. Tragedy being reported at the Barabanki temple in UP.